Setting up your FlexiTank Pro is quick and straightforward. And in this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clean, reliable nutrient reservoir ready to supply your AutoPot system. The FlexiTank Pro is designed to provide a stable, light-proof reservoir for your AutoPot system, helping deliver consistent water and nutrients to your plants. The upgraded design makes assembly simple while improving durability and ease of use. Start by unfolding the FlexiTank Pro. Once unfolded, fit the tap into the FlexiTank. Begin by unzipping the lid to access the inside. To install the FlexiTank Pro tap, remove the inner tightening nut and one rubber washer from the tap thread. Insert the tap through the opening, fitting the rubber washers on both sides. Orient the tap upside down and hand tighten the nut on the inside as much as possible. Do not over tighten with a tool. Fit connectors to 3 of the support poles. Ensure each pole is fully inserted into the connector by exerting pressure from above. Next, insert the poles into the tank. You will access the tank through the top zipper, just like when installing the tap fitting. Connect the upper and lower poles using the attached connectors. Ensure the pole is fully inserted into the connector by exerting pressure from above. Push the lower part of the support pole into the bottom location feature and straighten it up. Your tank comes with pole locking nuts. While applying pressure to the underside of the top ring, screw on the pole locking nut. Repeat this step on the remaining 2 slots for the support poles. Position your FlexiTank near your AutoPot system before filling. Stand the tank upright on a flat, level surface. Once the tank is full, twist the tap 180 degrees clockwise to the correct position for the final tightening. Once filled, the tank will be heavy and more difficult to move. Do not attempt to move it while it's full. Some pro tips for the best results. Place your reservoir on a level surface. Ensure the tap is fully closed before filling. And periodically check connections when first setting up your system. Your FlexiTank Pro is now ready to connect to your AutoPot system. For more setup guides and growing tips, be sure to subscribe to the AutoPot channel. Thanks for watching.